Happy? Fucking well happy with it. That's good. It's good.
Walnut, you classic walnut. Do you feel like James Bond? Oh no, they didn't use. No, they used Astons, didn't they? They didn't use Jaguars.
I feel like Phil Mitchell.
No, Phil Mitchell out of his tendons.
Austin Powers used the Jag.
Jaguar.
I'm glad it's had a good reception so far. I thought people were going to go, oh, you bunch of
No, it's not. I was pleased that we just put it on rotor form first.
yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, it's double bellow bags all round.
Yeah.
Sleeve just, I don't think it would have rid of very well the sleeves. So it's got double bellows all round. Obviously, we've gone with the 3P management, running 3/8 lines because the car's nearly a 2-ton car, so you needed big old air lines just to get it lifting properly. So we're running about average 65 psi in the back and about 90 to 95 psi in the front. And yeah, it drives like a.
It drives great.
It drives like a dream.
For such a heavy car.
How long it's going to last, I don't know. There's no roadside assistance included.
You didn't even see it when we bought it, gave it back?
Yeah. No, because it went under a tree, didn't it? Car parked it under a tree for like 3 months.
Lovely. I mean, it does look cool, doesn't it? The bonnet's supposed to be open.
Nah. But it just didn't seem to want to close. Oh, it is closed, but not closed.
What size are they?
They had 20 by 10.
All round?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, you're good, aren't you?
No, that's different.
I was going to say, I got the oil.
I was dropping you some coolers.
It's Pat's birthday today as well, so we'll let me ring him. Yeah, mate, I'll get him down just to annoy him. One owner from New, did you say?
Two owners from No. Just gone on to 100,000. We had full service history. It was clean. Like me and James went and looked at it, and the geezer was like a proper Jaguar geek.
Have you done anything on the exhaust? You done anything? Like, have you literally just bags, wheels done?
Bags, air and wheels.
Nice.
That's all you need.
What was that one?
It's just like a
Jam
normal
base.
jam based glaze. If you want to go just fancy and like plain Jane but tastes really good, I go for original but with the chocolate glaze and 100,000 sprinkles. Oh yeah.
So with it being quite old type paint, we had to use quite a gentle procedure with the car. So I went in with our Ultimate Compound to revive the paint, and then refined it using our Ultimate Polish to give it some gloss, and then to finish off and give it maximum protection, use the Ultimate Paste Wax, and that's just going to give it that boost of gloss protection and the real wet look that we were looking for, especially for indoor shows and stuff like that. So the interior wise, we went round with a multi-purpose cleaner just to degrease it all, because it was quite kind of like stained and greasy, and then revived the tired leather using the Ultimate Leather Balm, which will give it a real soft finish, a matte kind of satin sheen to it, and also a nice bit of protection.